you want to do something new, you need a side hustle to add up with what you're already doing, or you don't have anything doing and you need something that could give you instant money, a business that you'll be earning money from the day you started, you will start making money. The only thing you need here, you need to invest small money, not less than $200 that day. At least if you start today, by tomorrow you're already making money in dollars. Watch this video till the end and thank me later. Make sure when you start making money with this strategy that I'm showing you now, make sure you come back to say thank you, because it's not easy. This strategy I'm giving you now is a very big and vital strategy. What is the strategy about? Content creation. Don't be afraid. You are not coming to camera to talk the way I'm talking now. You don't need to say anything to anybody. What you gonna do is come to this website, click on the link below this video, and when you are using this website, use my promo code. You will see it there, Slick Digitals. That's my promo code, because when you will subscribe with my promo code, they will give you 5% off, alright, of any purchase you are doing right here. So come to this website, click on the link below this video, and it will bring you to this website. So in this video, I'm going straight to the point to show you how you start making money in dollars instantly with no stress, free stress and free time wasting. Okay, everything is going to be arranged in very easy way you do not believe that exists. And the best part of it is this strategy, this business strategy is 100% legit, and it is 100% paying back. The little money you are going to invest, don't look for to make something rich with something free. Nothing is free on this planet Earth. Alright? This strategy I'm showing you is not free, but the money is not rich. It's just something you can even go to one shop and spend. So for you to do it for an investment that will be making thousands of dollars for you in future, it is not a mistake, my darling. Even if it's your savings, use part of it to invest in this business. Even if you are doing another business, use part of the money you are making from that business and do this one too as your side hustle. Believe you me, in next 4, 5, 6 months, you will be withdrawing money from this business to invest in the other of your business. I am telling you this out of experience. Try it. You will surely, this is not that I want to do content, you will surely come back to tell me thank you. Angela, let's dive right into it. Let me show you what I am talking about. So once you click on the link below this video, it will bring you to this page. Then click on this monetized YouTube account. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this page. It will open up like this. All right, yes, it has opened up. This is it. This is it. What is it here? It's just monetized YouTube account. The account is already monetized. They have monetized YouTube channel. They have monetized TikTok account. but today I'm concentrating on YouTube channel, how you can start making mega money on YouTube. Look at this account, look at everything. Look at this one. It has over 1,000 subscribers. It's not just subscribers, active subscribers. Based on your niche, what you want to do video about, you will tell them, give them all the information so that they will give you account that is already have audience for you. You don't need to start struggling. Are you seeing it? 1,073 subscribers. That's what this account has. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing the views? This account is already monetized, is already making money. Are you seeing views, likes? You know, you don't need to stress yourself for anything. Okay, the videos are having comments already. You already have audience. Okay, you don't need to struggle for any audience. The day you buy this account and post a video, that day you start making money from that day. Are you seeing it? You are a YouTube partnership. You are a YouTube partner, means your account is monetized. Once you monetize the account, this is the message that YouTube will send to you. See it, see the analytics. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Look at, he has made 3.7k. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? $17. Are you seeing it? So you are seeing everything by yourself. Let me not just talk too much. Just click on the link below this video and go to this website. Are you seeing it? Congratulations, you have been approved to join YouTube Partner Program. These are the messages YouTube will send to you once your account is monetized. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below this video. Just go there, buy one of the accounts, use my promo code so that they will remove 5% for you. Okay, just use the promo code slick digitals and start making money ASAP. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on the comment section. The next video I'm going to do, I'll teach you the kind of content you're going to do without showing your face, without saying anything. Everything will be made easy. Bye.